Bro, what's going to happen to the world now? That's a good question, my youth. I hate 2020. I want to pack my black bags and move back to 2019. Less virus last year, bro. You idiot. I want to see you move back to 2019. And then take the old people with you. This virus is out of control, bro. Yeah, so true. I don't like the number 9. I don't like 19. So if you're 19 years old and 29, 39, 49, 59, 69, 79, 89, 99. Fuck you. Did you wash your hands? Where's your mask? You get tested yet? For what? For the gal coronavirus. Did you have it fresh from last week? Go get the bleach. Why? You need it, Jughead. Bad man, nah, bleach. Turn on the TV and shut the fuck up.
Hello. Thanks for joining our youth talk show. Today we have the teacher live, on the air, speaking out against the corrupt town.
Thank you for having me here.
So teacher, what's going on?
This town needs some really help.
What's the big deal?
I'm going to speak for the town. The United States has reached a daily global record for the coronavirus pandemic, reporting more than 55,000 new COVID-19 cases. The daily U.S. tally stood at 55,274 late Thursday, which exceeds the previous single-day record of 54,771 set by Brazil on June 19th.
Another news. We need a new mayor.
I need Bob Marley to run the town.
Teacher. That impossible. The lead singer passed away 40 years now.
No, has not. I hear him on the radio this morning, singing, "One love, one heart." This is some serious issues. Yeah! Oh shit. Trouble loose. The mayor going to lose his seat. Him see dong too long. Yeah, that goathead mayor. It's not funny. Move quick. Corona passing through. My youth. Didn't you hear? To cover your whole fucking head when you're sneezing. Are you fucking kidding me? Jughead, tap the noise. It's the Crocodile Dundee United Mayor.
Mr. Mayor. The peoples are upsetting. You're not doing what you're supposed to do.
Really?
They are afraid. So many people catch the symptom. Children's dying from COVID-19.
The reason for all of this is no one want to listen.
The world climate change. Word on the street is the Lord is coming soon.
I cannot help it. That's natural cost.
China is distressed. They have pig flu now. What's next?
I don't know what's wrong with them, Ching Chung Yang.
Mr. Mayor. What about the Chinese in our country, today? As we speak.
I want to ship them back to Japan.
I said Chinese.
Florida's record rise in cases was more than any European country's daily peak at the height of the outbreak there. North Carolina, South Carolina, Tennessee, Alaska, Missouri, Idaho and Alabama all registered new daily highs on Friday, while Texas hit a new peak for hospitalizations. The daily U.S. tally of cases stood at 53,483 late on Friday, below the previous day's record 55,405.
We have an unknown caller. Yes, hello, you're on the air.
Mr. Mayor, what should we do?
Please wear a face covering when you go out in public, Surgeon General Jerome Adams, a member of the task force, said at a briefing Tuesday.
Mr. Mayor, the hospital full.
Yeah, I know. That's why all people should stay locked down.
What's going to happen for the sick people, mister?
No comments.
Mr. Mayor. That's a very interesting question.
Mr. Mayor.
Yes, Senior.
Fuck you. You such a dumb fuck.
Mr. Mayor. You think that you're going to win the upcoming election?
Yes, I should. And I'm very sure that my peoples are comfortable.
You sure? Because I just heard one of your own people tell you. Fuck you.
That makes two of you.
No, I did not.
That's just the drugs dealer. Looking for some coins.
To be continued.